half kg beef mince, ginger garlic paste, yogurt, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin, red chili powder, salt, garam masala powder, onion, coriander and chilies, gram flour, one egg, ghee, now mix well. Marinate for 30 minutes. Make oval shaped balls. Shallow fry them. Add 3 chopped onion in same oil. You may add more oil if required. Paste, black pepper, cloves, cinnamon, two finely chopped tomatoes, gravy. Add some turmeric, coriander powder, cumin, red chili powder, salt, garam masala powder, some more water.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3,
Now
grow
add
hard
fried
out what you wanna
kebabs.
be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Before serving.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost.